Welcome back to our third tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to install Atom. Atom will be the text editor that we'll be using to write our Solidity contract. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video, and make sure to go check out our Buy Me a Coffee page. If you love the content that we produce and enjoy learning on how to turn NFTs into games, visit our Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/NFT game devs and share our page or buy us a coffee. Every donation goes towards creating free content so that you can continue to learn how to be an NFT game developer. First thing you're going to do is go to atom.io. Once that web page loads up, click the download button, and the download should start immediately. Go ahead and save that. I'm going to save that on my desktop. Now, once it finished downloading, I'm going to just click on it to start the install process. Hit run. Once it is finished installing, it will automatically launch. So, depending on how fast your computer is, this could take 5 to 6 minutes to install. I'll be back after the installation. Alright, I am back. I have Atom installed. This is what it should look like if you have successfully installed it. First thing we're going to do to set up our environment is click right here where it says install a package. We want to set up the Solidity environment so that we can properly code with Solidity inside of the Atom text editor. So you're going to click on Open Installer. And right here, you see Search Packages. You just want to type in Solidity, S-O-L-Lidity. Spelled it wrong. There we go. And then right here, we have the linter-solidity. I already have it installed, but yours should show with a blue install box. Go ahead and click that install box on the linter solidity 0.7, and that should install that package for you. And this concludes this tutorial on how to install Atom. Join me in the next tutorial where we'll be going over how to write our first ERC20 contract and our first ERC721 contract for our NFT project.